Hi, this is Kavil coming to you today with a video. Today I'll be doing a hair mask and I'll be applying that hair mask to my hair because lately I find my hair breaking, I find my hair shredding. So I just want to get this breakage and shredding under control. So I decided to make my own hair mask. So I'll start by using aloe vera. Aloe vera strengthen and repair the hair. Aloe vera contains vitamin A, and these vitamins help to promote your hair cell. I'll be cutting the aloe vera and I'll be taking the skin off, and I'll be using the inside of the gel. I'll be using half of a ripe banana in this mixture. And banana revitalizes the hair. It strengthens the hair. Banana is high in potassium. It moisturizes. It helps release dry hair and itchy scalp. Avocado is amazing for your hair. Avocado is amazing for your hair. It's rich in fatty acid, biotin, vitamin A, and vitamin E. It's high also in fibers. I'll be using coconut oil, and my coconut oil, I had it and it was actually not liquidy, but now it became liquid. So I'll shake it properly and I'll use 2 tablespoons in this mixture. Coconut oil strengthens the hair. The acid allows the coconut oil to be more easily absorbed into the hair shaft. So you know this is going straight and deep. I'll be using 2 tablespoons for this mixture. Black grapeseed oil. I love grapeseed oil. I even sometimes take a little drink. The taste is not so good, but it's so good for your hair. It creates it helps your texture, it helps your volume, it moisturizes, and it goes deep. I just love black seed oil, so I'll be using about 2 tablespoons of the black seed oil. I'll be using olive oil. So this bottle that I have, I just pour some olive oil in it. The name on it is different, but I'll be using olive oil, and you know we cannot do without the olive oil. It's good for cooking, it's good for our skin, and it's good for our hair. Olive oil softens and strengthens the hair, and it by penetrating the hair shaft, and it's amazing. Olive oil is amazing. Don't forget to buy your extra virgin olive oil for your hair treatments. I'm using green tea in this mixture today, and I soak the green tea into a little warm water and I put it in the fridge for 2 days. And I love green tea. It's good for your hair, it's good for your body. So it supports healthy hair and it regrowth. It stimulates the hair follicle and prevent damage to the hair. It's even great for hair loss. So if you find your hair alopecia or it's losing the hair, green tea is good. So guys, I'll be putting all these ingredients in my blender and I'll be blending these products together. Normally I would strain this, but this blender make everything smooth. This product is creamy, it smells so good, and I can't wait to put it on my hair. So now I section my hair in 4 sections, and I will be applying this mask on my hair. I'll do it from the roots to the end. And after I finish applying my mask, I'll go put on a cap or a steam cap, and I'll go under the dryer for 15 to 20 minutes. This product, when the heat and everything in the hair, it makes my hair so soft. I really love the feeling of my hair, and I'm happy I decided to do this mask today, put all these natural products together to put on my hair. So guys, this is after rinsing out the products because I start with my hair was freshly washed, and all I do is apply a conditioner after this mask, and my hair is feeling amazing. I really love the feeling, the softness of my hair, and I hope you enjoyed this video today. And please don't forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in my next video.